was perhaps largely affixed on the 40-day war between US, Israel and Iran.
If the internet shuts down today, your phone becomes useless unless you download these apps right now. The first app is Offline Survival Manual. So this app is basically an amazing app first of all, because this app is working offline. You don't require any internet service to use this app. So what does this app do basically? So in emergency situation where you need to find shelters, where you need first aid, this app will actually help you there, because it has all the information you need for survival. If you need a first aid, immediately it will tell you what you need to do right now. And even in the midst of war, if you need to find shelter, it will tell you where you need to go right now to stay safe. So the app name is Kiwix. This app is the second app in our list, and this app is basically providing you internet offline. Yes, exactly. So what does this mean? So basically you are getting millions of Wikipedia articles right at your phone offline downloaded for you. But what does it do? Why do you need it? So basically it will help you in these emergency situations where you need to find out what you need to do exactly to stay safe, to get shelters. Yes, it is a bonus added version of it, because on Wikipedia you have every access to everything. So the next app in our list is Zello PTT Walkie Talkie. So this app turns your phone into a walkie talkie, which will send messages in real time, voice messages for you to any of the person who have this app on their phone too. So this app still works if there is limited connection on limited internet. Like if there is no 5G, 4G or even 3G, it can still work on 2G network or even on edge network. If they have cut out 5G, 3G or even 4G networks, you can still use this app to send messages. Your voice messages can be sent to any of the person who have the same app. This app is kind of like a walkie-talkie. You should install this app because it will help you in those emergency situations where you need to talk to anyone. So next app is Pocket Pal AI. So this app is an amazing app, and let me remind you, or let me tell you if you don't know it, this app does not require any internet to find your answer or to give your answers. So this AI is basically an AI which works offline. So you can still use it if you don't have any internet in your phone. So basically what this app does is it's similar to your normal AI, where you give the problem and it will provide you with answers and solutions. So basically it doesn't require any server dependency and it does not require any internet. So in any of the situation, if you feel like you need a quick answer right now, very quickly, for your situation, for your emergency situation, this app is the answer. Download it right now in this war situation. So the next app in our list is Meshtastic. So this is an next level, next grade app, because basically you don't require internet. You don't even require your SIM in your phone to use this app. What does this app do? Basically, without any internet, without any SIM, you can still send messages and do long range communication with this app. Yes, you can do that without internet, without your SIM. It uses mesh networks. So if you download it beforehand, you can use it even if there is no internet, even if your SIM is not there in your phone. You can still use it. So basically no internet or SIM requirement is there for this app. You should install this app. So even if you want to communicate with anyone and send messages or communicate, long range communication is there. You can still do this with this app Meshtastic. Use this app right now. These are the situations where you need to download this app and you need, stay alert. So these app will exactly make you do that. Share this video with your loved ones if you really care about them, because these app will really save them and it will also aid them in their tough times. So make sure to send this to each and every person and make sure these apps are installed on their phone also. So what you need to do, save this video for later and share it as much as you can, and even if you can hit the like button, that will actually make the video go to the next person and they can get help also. Subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Click the bell icon if you need faster notification. I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is a war situation. We need to see it very, very seriously. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.